No other element of the technical database provides quite as much value as an accurate bill of material. The planning process can be greatly streamlined, and planners can focus on providing detailed instructions to the work crews. Hello, I'm John Sewell. I'm a consultant with IDCON, and today I'm going to give a brief overview of bills of material. A bill of material is a list of parts used on the equipment. There are two types of bills of material. The first is an original equipment manufacturer or OEM bill of material. This is a comprehensive list of every part, including nuts, bolts, brackets, etc. The second type of bill of material are parts that are just limited to routine maintenance, repair, and operation of the equipment. These MRO bill of materials should be your focus when you start developing your parts list. To provide value to the planning process, a bill of materials should include a minimum amount of information on each part. Consider including a part name that follows the standard taxonomy, manufacturer of the part and their part number, price, lead time, and any other information that might be useful to the planning process down the road, such as a drawing reference, part size, or weight. When developing your bills of material, focus on keeping them accurate, accessible, and applied. The parts shown on your bill of materials must be accurate. Incorrect parts appearing on a bill of material will quickly erode trust and force planners to spend unnecessary time double-checking all the details. The accuracy of your bill of materials can be improved by identifying a data owner and updating them as part of a management of change process. Ensure the planners, supervisors, mechanics, and engineers have access to the bill of materials. Train users on how to locate bill of materials and navigate individual part details. The planning process will be streamlined by the use of bills of material. Check to make sure that the information is being used efficiently in the day-to-day work management process. Bills of material are an element of the technical database and support the overall planning and scheduling effort. No other element of the technical database provides quite as much value as bills of material. Bills of material streamline the planning process and allow planners to spend their time creating detailed work instructions for the crews. This improves work execution in the field and ultimately helps lower the overall cost of production. While you're here, subscribe to the channel and check out some of the other videos on the technical database. For a full article on this topic, head over to maintenanceworld.com or connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you.